If you're running a Shopify store and posting on social media, UTM links are the easiest way to see what actually is driving clicks and sales. Go to Google's campaign URL builder and enter your Shopify store link, then fill in the campaign source like Instagram or TikTok and the medium like organic or real. Add a campaign name so you know which product or promo it is tied to. That link can look long, so shorten it using some like bit.ly or a tiny URL before posting. Then drop it in your bio, swipe up, or caption. Every time someone clicks it, you'll see exactly where they came from inside your Shopify dashboard or Google Analytics. No more guessing than what's working. With UTM links, you can double down on the platforms and the posts that actually convert. If you want a step-by-step video on how to set this up with Bitly or inside Shopify, even you just gotta go hit like and subscribe and drop a comment if you want a free UTM template. Definitely, I'll just go ahead and make a video related to your questions or doubts if you got those. Until then, I'll definitely catch you in the next video as well.